I'm seeing visions through my dreams, seeing myself swimming in the universe. My ancestors gave me gifts to read cards, predict and heal. My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me bye-bye love. Angels communicate through numbers. Intuition is so deep. The gift I fully embrace within.
Hi everyone! Welcome po sa inyong almost personal readings. So, tignan natin kung ano ang mga nangyayari sa paligid-ligid, no? Tayo makichismis kung ano ang pwedeng mangyari sa ating relationship. I want you to know that this is a general reading. You may resonate with the entire reading or baka konti lang. Take what's only yours and believe in the divine timing kasi this is a timeless reading. Whenever you found the message, no, yun yung time na dapat napakinggan nyo rin itong mensahe para sa inyo. So mag-start tayo. Playfulness, make the effort, you deserve love. Traumas. Ang ganda nung mga combinations. Tapos, playfulness plus making the effort plus you deserve love equals trauma. Why? Because of the past experiences, no? Probably, hindi lang ito yung isang beses na broken-hearted tayo, no? Whether, lalo na sa mga exes natin, mga dumaan na mga tao sa buhay natin. So parang, syempre, nagsimula ka when you were a little younger, nandun yung playfulness, nandun yung medyo talagang active pa. Probably the playfulness also comes with the immaturities. Lahat naman ng tao dumating dyan sa immaturities, no? You probably did something from the past that you somewhat regretted. There may be some things from the past na probably sinasabi mo ngayon na kung merong mga bagay na hindi ko na uli gagawin is yung maging mapusok siguro, no? That depends on your situation. Whatever, you know, the younger you, no, probably did. Sobrang mapusok, sobrang yung pag-amin, talagang binigay naman na lahat, no? Sinuko agad si bataan. So, it felt like hindi na muna. Kikilalanin ko na muna siya. Making the effort dahil doon nga sa ating mga past experiences, tumaas ngayon yung walls natin. Parang inaantay naman natin ngayon, no? Na yung person ang effort sa atin, which is true, which is dapat. It just so happen na parang naging stiff tayo, no? Dumating doon sa pagkakataon na dahil nga because of the traumas, ayaw na nating kumilos, ayaw na nating, baka kasi yung kilos natin, magbigay sa atin ng pagkakataon, no? Para sisihin yung sarili natin. O, ayan ka na naman, no? Gaganyan ka. I think that those were the people that you should have, no, showed the real you. People from the past. But I feel like this current or this person, no, napaparating, I think that this person is going to treat you better, treat you right, treat you the king or queen that you should be, no? Bakit sinasabi mo dito ngayon, ayoko nang magmahal? So, tinapos agad. May conclusion tayo. I will be, siguro, as of the moment, kasi may bitterness tong na-feel tayo because of the past experiences, no? Ayoko nang magmahal muli. Ayan. Tatanda akong mag-isa. Ayan. Meron tayong mga tuldok sa ating mga sinasabi. The Moon card and the Seven of Cups. Because of this probably conclusion, promise to yourself, we divert our attention to something somewhere else, something na pwedeng magpaalis, no, ng sa isip natin na love is not really meant for me, or ako yata yung taong hindi para sa relationship, no? The Seven of Wands and the Temperance. I think that you're trying to avoid someone. Walang iya kasi yung mga taong na dumaan sa buhay natin eh. Kaya probably we lost the faith in humanity. We lost the faith in romance, no? Kung si Cupid, si Tinkerbell, di ba? Sabi sa Peter Pan, every time a person, or every time that a child said that they don't believe in fairies, one fairy died, no? Kung si Cupido, no, ganun din ang kanyang siste sa buhay. Naku, baka ilang beses natin na-stab si Cupid dahil sa sinasabi natin, no, na I don't believe in love anymore. May pumapasok sa buhay mo, merong nagpaparamdam, merong nagsasabi, no, nagpapakita ng interest. Gusto mo sana, pero takot na. Gusto mo sanang i-try uli, napapangunahan tayo ng takot. Gusto mo sanang subukan na tumibok uli yung puso mo, but you're making excuses. I think that you're pushing this person away. Kahit gusto natin, no? Hindi kita masisisi because pinoprotektahan mo lang yung sarili mo. At the end of the day, wala namang poprotekta sa'yo. Kundi sarili mo talaga, no? Wala kang ibang kakampi kundi sarili mo. Wala ka rin ibang sisisihin kundi sarili mo once you open the gate of romance, no? And entertain this person. The Three of Wands, the Nine of Cups, and the Five of Wands. Ang sinasabi dito, bakit hindi mo pagbigyan muli yung sarili mo? Pwede mong ipangako siguro sa sarili mo, this will be your last chance, no? Sabihin mo sa sarili mo na, kaya ko pang magbigay ng isa pa. This might be the last person, no, na dadating sa buhay mo. The reason why I'm saying this is because nakakalaban mo na yung sarili mo eh, no? Nagtatalo na yung puso, yung isip, but it felt like the universe already giving you your wish fulfillment. Ayaw mo lang tanggapin. But, huwag mo ring maliitin yung sarili mo na deserve mo na mahalin muli, na maranasan magmahal, na maka-experience ng love. Subconsciously, we're waiting for this with the Three of Wands, no? Subconsciously, our soul is actually summoning this person. And this person hears your prayers. Dumating siya. Andyan na siya sa harapan mo. Huwag natin sanang sayangin yung pagkakataon na nandito na, no? Kumbaga sa pera na naging bato pa. Eto na. So, tignan natin kung para sa ito kasi nakakita ako dito na pinapakita naman sa iyo yung effort, no? Nag-e-effort siya. Nakikita mo yung sincerity, nakikita mo yung time na ini-spend sa iyo. Ipinaparamdam naman sa iyo na importante ka, na special ka. So might as well okay lang ibigay yung puso pero may limitations kung talagang pinoprotektahan mo yung sarili mo, no? Kasi by isolating yourself and removing yourself from the equation of having a romantic life, it's not protecting, you're hurting yourself as well, no? Kaya nga sabi nila napaka-komplikado ng pag-ibig eh. So, para maiwasan ang pagiging komplikado, huwag nating isara yung pinto. Huwag din nating ibukaka. Let's put this door, no? Or, let's open the door ajar. May konting puwang. Para at least, kung talagang ayaw at hindi pwede mong isara, no? Not totally sarado at hindi ka nakikita. Give this person a chance. So, kung kayo nakaka-resonate dito sa reading na ito, let me know sa comment section. And kung meron po kayo mga personal questions, no, sa description box ng video na ito, there is a link. Click the link, you will be routed to my website. Nandun po yung name, number, QR code, amount per questions. Take advantage of the 4 questions plus 1 kasi discounted po yon. And if you want to book a private reading, nandun din po siya. No? Now, let's check the zodiac sign of your person. This can be their sun sign or a placement in their chart or pwede ring lumabas ang zodiac sign mo. I'm seeing Leo, Pisces, Aries, Sagittarius. I am seeing Scorpio, Cancer, Gemini. This is your reading. Maraming salamat. Love and light. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na readings. Goodbye.